Hello, Walden University students. Are you passionate about a social change issue but unsure how to translate that passion into a research topic? Would you like to practice being more objective in your research and writing? Are you approaching your master's or doctoral capstone without a clear topic in place? If you answered yes to any of these questions, consider enrolling in the Center for Academic Excellence course, Critical Thinking for Social Change. Critical Thinking for Social Change can help you improve critical thinking skills in support of objective, scientific writing on a social issue. Topics covered in the 6-week course include reading critically and evaluating information, addressing assumptions, credibility, and bias, and developing a thesis statement. First, you are introduced to the critical thinking process as a framework for investigating a social change issue of your choosing. You write regularly in a social change journal where you reflect on what you are reading in the literature and what the solution to the issue may be. The final product is an annotated bibliography of 4 scholarly sources that address your topic. This annotated bibliography acts as a jumping-off point for further research and engagement with social change ideas. Throughout the course, you receive feedback on writing, critical thinking, and APA style that you can apply to future projects. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.